Welcome to this week's Monday Marketing Minute. As you already know, content marketing is an essential component of any digital marketing strategy.
And right now, you might be doing a lot of this work in-house, but there may come a time when you just can't handle it all. So that's why this week we're giving you 3 tips for choosing a content marketing agency to work with.
When you need electrical repair,
You call an electrician, and hiring a professional means the work is done right the first time.
so when you need content marketing, it makes sense to call in the experts.
And a great place to start is just by looking around. If you see a brand that you admire, whose content is just so extraordinary that you want the same for your own brand, well, get in touch with their marketing director and find out who they're working with. Most people will be happy to refer their beloved agency as long as it's not to a competitor.
Or if you don't want to reach out, take that example to your prospective agencies and see what they think. Can they or have they produced something similar?
Yeah, and speaking of services, our second tip is to find an agency that specializes in SEO. If you're paying to create content, there's no reason it shouldn't be optimized right out of the gate. A major part of any content marketing strategy is research-based SEO. Keyword data, emerging trends, and high-quality content should all go together.
When you get to the point of meeting with a potential agency partner, don't forget to ask about reporting. Reporting is essential to proving ROI. At Oneupweb, we report out to our clients at least monthly.
Yeah, and this last question will reveal whether the agency is goal-oriented and data-informed. So, final tip, if you think you've found an agency, get to know them. Are they easy to talk to? Will they wine you? Will they dine you? Do they mesh with the rest of your team? This is super important.
Don't forget to drop us a note in the comments and let us know what you thought of this video. Also, tell us what you'd like to see next.